Hello and welcome to Motor Match Stockport. Today I'll be taking you around this Toyota Corolla. This Toyota Corolla is finished in white and is powered by a 1.8 VVT petrol hybrid engine with an automatic transmission. Into the boot and you'll find plenty of space to provide for your daily needs. The space of course can be extended with the rear seats down. It also benefits from a rubber mat. It sits beautifully on 18-inch multi-spoke designed alloy wheels, as well as LED daytime running headlights that provide great visibility. Into the back, and the passengers are provided full leather seats, headrests, as well as Isofix for convenience. Into the front, and the driver is presented with rubber mats, leather-wrapped multi-function steering wheel, as well as full heated leather seats. This car also benefits from a panoramic roof which lets in plenty of light. The multi-function steering wheel provides access to voice command, volume control, hands-free, cruise control, speed limiter, as well as lane assist. The fully digital instrument display provides access to vital driving data, which can be controlled using the multi-function steering wheel. In the centre, a coloured touchscreen display provides access to inbuilt satellite navigation, helping you get around with those unfamiliar places. Bluetooth, multimedia and radio is also provided, ensuring you stay connected at all times. A rear camera making parking a breeze in the tightest of spaces. Just below is the controls to the dual climate control, where the driver and the passenger can adjust the temperature to their liking. Heated seats are also provided for those cold months. Into the centre console, a gear selector, electronic handbrake, 2 cup holders and a leather armrest is also provided. Thank you for taking the time to watch this walk around video. For further information regarding this vehicle, please contact our friendly sales team or inquire online now.